Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to send files in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to send files in Viber, first open up your Viber app. After opening your Viber app, guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send the files. So after opening your chat box, guys, on this interface at the bottom left corner of the screen, just beside the message bar, you can see there's a plus button available for us. Tap on that plus button at the bottom left corner of the screen, just beside the message bar, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the file option available for us. Tap on file and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to view your images, your audios if you just tap on it, and then your videos, and let's unselect the audio, or your documents. You can see over here, you can view your documents, you can view your large files over here. So in order to send a file on Viber, on this interface, after you have chosen your file, just tap on the file which you want to send like this, and that file will be sent on Viber. And there, guys, this is how you will be able to send files in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.